Entered the Empire State Trail at H.F. Redmond Jr. State Park. It's kind of a steep little incline to get up here. Just trying to figure out where to bike with my young child. Borrowing a friend's car, I drove that to this park. I've ridden toward this spot, never quite this far. How's this little biking cap? Oh, little wind tunnel here. I guess with all these trees, I've got no worry about my head getting a sunburn, but figured I'd bring it out anyway. I wasn't sure what to expect. I've never been on these trails. I mean, who knows? Aerodynamic? It is not. But keeping my head from getting burnt? Yes, it's a stretchy material, so that's good. And I feel like going back to where I parked the car, I'm going to have, oh, see, there we go. Now we're on a look. I feel like I am, avoiding a sunburn. It's not even a sunny day. So what do I know? Kind of nice back here, though. Kind of makes you wish that, like, all cities and states had these, minus the roots growing under the trees. Keeps altering my hat. Mostly, I just want a coffee. Now that I've turned myself into someone who drinks coffee, that is all I can think about. Yeah, this is the poor state of my shorts. Inseam is just too short, so you can see my biking shorts. Keys droopy. Is there a real missed opportunity with a coffee shop right there in this industrial building? Maybe not. guess I flubbed it. There's nowhere for me to put my bike. Come on. Again, lost opportunity. Back on the trail, headed southbound. Microphone's not working. I don't know what happened. I'm very annoyed. Yeah, like, why isn't this thing on? Birdhouse! Yeah, this video might just be a collection of slow motion shots of birdhouses that I pass. I do love that no illegal birdhouse postings. I've yet to see a bird hanging at one. But I am stopping to take photos of all the birdhouses with Legos. I gotta find a third because you can't have a series without at least 3 photos, right? Where's your little Lego dudes at these houses that would be much too large for the Lego people? Oh, no porches on those birdhouses. Got some Lego here. Perch. Farragut Avenue. Am I in DC? It's my prime look. Hint of sun. I trimmed my beard. That's the big news of the day. Trimmed too much. Trimmer got away from me. Not happy about that. What am I ever happy about is the big question. Ow, bug hit me in the face. Ouch! Bugs, face. See, this is too, like, compressed. What happens if I go helmetless here? Is that... I gotta know where to put the helmet. Put it on the back rack. Bump, 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 but a bump, 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 bump. These trees, some serious trees. Like, this is a trail where I'd be like, if you've biked on this once, you've biked on it enough. Or maybe you bike on it in the spring, the summer, the fall, and the winter, just to get a sense of the seasons. This might be a good spot to park and bike. Mile Square Plaza. Kind of pop out around here to get over to the Lego Center, because all I think about is Lego. All right. I'm just trying to be friendly with the bell. I don't know. It's dark in these woods. I can see why people have lights on their bikes in the middle of the day on an overcast day. That guy I passed was chewing gum. It made me want some gum. Oh man. Padding I'm wearing today isn't comfortable. I don't know why. I'm not comfortable. Nothing's feeling comfortable today. Where did I park the car? Not far. I think this is the park where I parked. I guess my ride is over. I feel like I'm just getting started.